Yeah, good Friday morning, of course, tracking strong winds through the day yesterday. Things are a little different this morning. Still dealing with a breeze from the south, but as we go throughout your Friday, expecting the winds to get lighter. Just not as much sunshine out there, but we will deal with that. We're still dealing with some mild temperatures, of course, as well. Live view from Carbondale, and of course the camera's still bouncing in the wind there just a bit, but still not too bad outside. In fact, temperatures right now on the mild side for this time of year, running close to average high temperatures even early this morning. More clouds today, less wind. So again, kind of give or take, I guess, this time of year. We'll deal with less wind, though. Yesterday, some gusts close to 50 miles per hour in a few spots. We are dry through the daylight hours today, but rain starts to enter the forecast as early as tonight. Sticks around through much of the day on Saturday and even into Sunday morning. In fact, some of the heaviest rain likely to come in here Saturday night and through Sunday morning. So if you've got plans to be outside, maybe dodging some raindrops coming up this weekend. Winds right now out of the south and southwest, sustained, running about 15 to 20 miles per hour in some spots, but it will be getting lighter. Still some gusts early this morning, upwards of about 25 miles per hour. But here you go as we head into the afternoon hours. Notice this is about 3 p.m. and gusts, so the highest amounts of wind running about 10 to 12 miles per hour. So it will be getting lighter. Live view from Mount Vernon this morning. There's that big American flag blowing in the wind. 56 degrees there. Dew points have been on the climb. That's some good news. Of course, we've seen the scenes of the field fires yesterday, and we had just a lot of fires around the region yesterday. So dew points climbing. That's a sign that humidity is increasing right now. That will help with that. 56 degrees, wind sustained about south-southwest, 15 miles per hour in Mount Vernon. There's the low clouds starting to move in from the west, so not going to see very much in the way of sunshine today. 56 in Mount Vernon, 54 though in Marion. It is 53 degrees in Paducah, Kentucky, and 52 in Sikeston, Missouri. Murray, Kentucky also at 50 degrees. So some mild weather right now out across much of Illinois and Missouri. Now to our west, we are tracking a cold front. That cold front will arrive later on tonight. Right now, not a lot of rain along that front, just some clouds out ahead of it. We will likely see some showers, though, develop behind the front, and then an area of low pressure back in the Texas Panhandle will bring the heavier rain in here Saturday night. But this afternoon, we're dry, mid-60s for afternoon high temperatures, about 10 degrees warmer than average for this time of year. Here comes the cold front for tonight, though. This is about 6 a.m., and notice that cold front settling in along the Ohio River. Behind it, some very light showers, some patchy drizzle through a good part of the day on Saturday, and then Saturday night. This is after sunset, of course, expecting some of the heaviest rain to make its way in. It will linger through the early morning hours on Sunday and then start to clear out by Sunday afternoon. Relatively cool, though, day on the way for Sunday afternoon. Rainfall amounts have been increasing, especially into southern Illinois, expecting about an inch along Route 13. Some spots along the I-64 corridor could be closer to an inch and a half, and then to the south there, rain amounts get less and less into Kentucky. Many spots likely going to pick up less than a half an inch of rain. So cloudy skies by this afternoon, about 65 degrees for an afternoon high temperature. Those winds getting lighter and lighter as we go throughout the day today, and rain chances start to enter the forecast later on tonight. So by 9 p.m., about a 20% chance, goes up to about a 40% chance by midnight there. And then your weekend, again, dodging some raindrops, light rain on Saturday, 54 degrees. Sunday, that rain is focused in the morning, but a cool afternoon as winds turn out of the north and northwest, about 51 degrees for an afternoon high temperature. And then, of course, looking ahead into the early part of next week, Monday, a dry day. More rain, though, in the forecast for Tuesday night into Wednesday. And guys, here's an early preview of that Thanksgiving forecast. And looking like right now, we may catch a break here. 57 degrees on Thanksgiving. And that's some good news. I know the CDC is really pushing people to try to get Thanksgiving outside. But, you know, of course, we'll be tracking that as we get a little closer. We'll cross our fingers that Thursday ends up being the best day of the week next week, weather-wise.
Well, you know what? Some of us will just be sitting at home and not be with family, so maybe it'll work out anyway.
My wife's got plans for me. We've already got chores going. We got some renovations.
Christmas tree, Christmas lights.
That's what she said. I said, man, this is not going to be relaxing at all.
Thank you, Nick.